crush is gonna crush my heart. So lush, I'm loving lying in your arms. I fall apart, this crush is gonna crush my heart. Baby, I should know better, should keep it all together, but I won't. Hanging on to every letter, you're telling me forever. I lose it, yeah, I lose my mind, falling for it every time. Hi vlog! So today I will be doing badminton with my ate, my brother-in-law, and his brother. Badminton kami. During my elementary years, I played badminton, but not like an expert kind of player, but I play it for fun. So I love badminton compared to other sports. Mag-badminton tayo today. And papunta na sila and malapit na sila. So, just getting ready. Grabe guys, I love this one. 1906R. So, may Tiger Sugar pala. Kasi hindi ko type. Gonna watch Sonic. I always wanted the bird.
Meron din pala yung master.
Gonna watch Sonic. Ayun nga, no? We're looking for shoes. Kasi this baby boy is looking for Anitsuka. What the heck is that question? Rating po.
Ito yung ano mo.
Sarap! Panoorin ko ngayon. For me? Huh?
Malapit na yan yung kanya.
Nagmamagnet.
Okay.
Masakit yung kamay. Wow.
Fruity nyo po, na fruity. Ano yung laman niya? Orange? More on orange?
Ako din orange po siya, sir. Pineapple siya.
Thank you! Libre nila kasi natalo sila.
Gusto ko sorry ha.
Alam niyo ba, lakas magmurayan po.
Nag-milk ba kayo? Sama na si Jed. Paano yan? Hi guys! So, I just got back from a long day. So, nag-badminton kami, umalis kami, kumain kami sa labas, and then nanood kami ng sine. So, I'm with the Chu family. So, kinukup nila ako for a day. Actually, it's already 5:45, almost 6 p.m. So, yeah, maggagabi na. Hindi na ako kakain ng dinner kasi sobrang busog ko na. Ang dami namin kinain. And also, guys, I have a brand trip on Tuesday. So, I'm planning my outfits now. And then, tomorrow, I'll be packing all of it. So, I'm just so excited kasi it's my very first brand trip. Kahit na content creator na ako nung 2020, ngayon pa lang ako magkakaroon ng brand trip. So, I said yes to this kasi it's an opportunity and also, I just wanna experience a brand trip kasi goal ko yan nung 2024 and also, I manifested it. Yun. So, I'm with the Oppo family. So, isasama ko kayo sa brand trip na yun. So, ito yung vlog na yun. I also wanna explore tennis if I had the time. I enjoy badminton kasi nung elementary days ko, nagba-badminton ako. So, nga pala, hindi ko pa na-share sa inyo. Pero, 3 days and 2 nights kami sa Siquijor. And I'm with the Oppo family. Hi guys! Good morning! I just woke up. I literally passed out last night. Hindi na ako nakapag-pack and all. Sobrang pagod ako the whole day. Kaya naman, nakatulog ako. Pero now, magpapack na tayo kasi bukas na yung trip. So, I need to pack. I need to be ready. And also, the phone will be arriving today. I will show you guys kung ano yung phone na binigay nila. So, magluto tayo para naman may laman yung tiyan ko kasi gutom na ako. Sabi guys, di ba ako gumagalaw? Humiga ako. Tapos nag-cellphone. Tapos naubos na yung oras ko. So, wala pa ako na-pack eh. Ay naku, di ko rin alam. May inaantay kasi akong package kaya hindi ako makagalaw-galaw eh. Pero mag-charge na ako ng mga gadgets ko. I-ready ko na yung mga pantulog, ganun yung mga usual na pinapak. Pero yung mga outfits later talaga, i-ano ko na. Promise. Ayan, nagluluto na naman po ako. Opo. So, nagluto po ako ng aking lunch and also dinner. Gusto ko ng gulay, so nagluto ako ng broccoli. Para healthy ko na. This is my lunch, guys. Guys, kain ulit tayo. Sorry, na-excite ako kasi dumating na yung flight details namin. Oh my gosh! Nice. Wala pa ako napapak. Oh my gosh. Sorry for the mess, pero nasa stress na si ate. Ready ko na lahat. Ipapasok na lang. Oh my God. Oppo sent me the newest Oppo Reno 13F 5G. They sent us Bash. Grabe, first time ko mag-earn ng Bash. Look.
Popo sent me bash.
First time ko to. Grabe.
Wow. That's super cute.
So,
This is the bag.
ganda. Super cute. So, i-unbox ko lang tong phone. Wow, it's so lightweight. Wow. It's so pretty. What the heck?
Ganda, tas tignan nyo, may butterfly effect siya.
Sleeping time na. Maaga pa bukas. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. So I'm off now to the airport. Come on, let's go to my very first brand trip. Kami guys, nandito na kami sa airport ng Siquijor. Yes, we're here at Dumaguete.
Oh, na-videoan ko na.
Lak ng hangin, shit. Hi guys, we're here na sa Dumaguete. Pupunta kami dun sa port later. 1 PM yung alis namin. Guys, we're the Lost Friends.
this party started. Discover the beauty of capturing life's moments with the Oppo Reno 13 Series 5G. Welcome to the Oppo Reno 13 Series Sunset event. Experience the magic.
Thank you. Wala na.
Plastic pa rin.
Koron!
Ay, koron.
Guys, it's our second day. Oh, pagod na agad. Lugnasan? Lugnasan? Lugasan?
Lugnasan.
Lugnasan. We're going to Lugnasan. Basang sisiw. Ay, sino ba yan?
Ba yan?
Ay?
Lagay mo ko sa thumbnail.
Totoo! Meeting David Gison in person! Oh my God! Hi, vlog!
Hi mga ka-Rachel Ganya.
Hi, vlog!
Click the cider.
Bakit cider? Shaki holak na sumikat.
Tanga cider. Ay,
Cider ko, one lang. Ang kita niyo yung totoo pong David Gison. Ganyan po siya sa in person. Ay, sinira! Wow. We're here at Glamping Village. Kakain kami ng lunch here. And then, pupunta na kami ng hotel to freshen up. And pupunta kami ng... Guys, we're here with Owo. Saya ka? Yes! Sarap dito. We're here at City Horgans. Kaya mo yung Owo na. Ganda. Yes! Hi! Ay, ang cute! Hi guys, we're going na to Rudy. Hi vlog. This is their outfit.
Outfit check.
Kape at gatas.
Truly.
Ba't sa'yo? Ang lapit-lapit. Here at Runic.
Tayo pala ba?
Magpa-party daw. We.
welcome our other content creators with us today. Rachel, Ganya. Our KOLs have gone underwater. They have trekked and climbed mountains just to be here tonight.
Congratulations, everyone! Cheers!
First year, high school ako neto, B. With the may sakit po ako. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Hello! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning, island dogs! Good morning! Hello!
Daming nangingisda dito.
We're here at Shaka. Shaka!
I love it.
Ito si
Hi
Jenny.
vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Hey.
outside. Love that. Hey. Dito muna.
Bakit dalawa lang?
Yung ano mo, yung flower mo. Tatakpan mo.
Ang size. Yung mahilig sa kape, pero libre.
Yung kanina.
Yang Hiraban. Nandito kami magla-lunch kami dito. And then,
Sino yung kinakausap?
my vlog. And then, my viewers. And then, pupunta na ako ng Fort. Mrs.
Una lang talaga.
Nagalit.
Tansiski na ba?
Pinaya ako.
Hi guys! It's the next day after our trip and si pagod si ate girl. Ngayon lang ako bumangon and hindi na ako nakapagluto kasi sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. So, umorder ako and it's my favorite. It's my Mang Inasal! Woo! Woohoo! Grabe guys, ang dami kong realization sa brand trip na yan. Pero, ang saya ko lang na na-experience ko yun. Especially, meeting creators that I've looked up before, na pinapanood ko lang sila before, and now I'm working with them. Pero hindi naman working with them, kasi alam ko naman, high work nila compared to us. Pero, masaya lang ako na nakakasabayan ko sila and nakakasama ko sila sa trip. Ang saya ng discover mo nila, Tim. Grabe, yung photographers, videographers namin throughout that campaign, that trip. Grabe, blessed kami na nakasama namin sila kasi ang gaan nilang kasama. Nakakapagod! Naligo pa ako and all. Pagkaligo ko, nagpatuyo lang ako na buhok. And then, wala na. Natulog na si ate girl. Wow. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. Meron pa akong ibang brand trips this 2025. Lord, please. And also brand partnerships, collaborations. Magsisipag na ako, promise. And also, i-claim etong year na to. So, para sa atin lahat, etong 2025, para sa atin lahat to. Nararamdaman ko. Tayo ay uunlad. Ay! Uunlad yarn! Basta, nararamdaman ko para sa atin lahat to. Kung nakikinig ka man, para sa atin lahat to. I-manifest mo na yung pangarap mo. I-manifest mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Kasi ngayong 2025, alam ko, makakaya na. Aja!